Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to add files to Dropbox. To upload and store your important files securely in Dropbox by adding them, first of all open up the Dropbox application on your phone and then tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. In the expanded menu, click on Upload Files. Choose the file you want to add from your device's storage and click on Open at the top right. Now select a folder where you'd like to store this file to and tap on Upload. And done! You've successfully added files to your Dropbox from your mobile device. They are now synced and ready to access anytime. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.